butterfly. She cracked her eggs with flappy wings and filled her kitchen with dummies do. Chick cut her eggs with flappy wings and filled her kitchen with yummy things. She cooked up clouds of cupcake fluff and scooped sweet dreams in marshmallow puff. She jiggled jello in every hue and iced a cake that sang woohoo. She served her treats on lily trays to frogs in crowns and needy two a day. She'll drink dinner down in half the tube and Issa ate the can. Santa chinks some later chinks, blue stars and crowns and bees. At night her oven hummed a song while stars beat down all night long. She dreamed of castles made of bread and donut moons above her head.